You walk outside, and instead of reaching for your phone, your messages, navigation, and even health stats appear right in front of your eyes. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, welcome to 2025, where smart glasses are no longer a tech experiment, but a real, polished part of everyday life. In this video, I'll be breaking down the top 5 best smart glasses of 2025, comparing their design, performance, features, and what makes each one unique. Whether you want something for productivity, fitness, or hands-free communication, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive right in. At number 5, Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses 2nd Gen 2025 edition. The new Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses 2nd Gen are the perfect mix of classic style and cutting-edge functionality. On the outside, they look just like regular Ray-Bans. Same lightweight acetate frame, polarized lenses, and a timeless design. But once you put them on, the tech inside makes a world of difference. You get a high-resolution, ultra-wide 12MP camera built right into the frame, allowing you to take photos and videos hands-free. The built-in Meta AI assistant can respond to voice commands, read notifications, and even describe your surroundings, which is incredibly helpful in daily life. Sound quality has improved massively over the first generation, with clearer, open-ear audio and better noise isolation. If you're the type of person who wants smart functionality without looking too techy, these are easily among the best lifestyle smart glasses on the market right now. Number 4. XREAL Air 2 Ultra. Next up at number 4, we have the XREAL Air 2 Ultra, and these are for those who love immersive visuals. These glasses look sleek and futuristic, with a magnesium alloy frame that's both lightweight and durable. They're designed primarily for AR experiences, and the image quality is stunning, boasting 1080p per eye resolution at up to 120 Hz refresh rate. What sets XREAL Air 2 Ultra apart is its advanced spatial tracking. It can map real-world environments in real time, allowing apps and content to interact with your surroundings naturally. Imagine watching a 100-inch screen floating in mid-air, or working with multiple virtual monitors, all from your glasses. They connect to most smartphones, laptops, and even gaming consoles, so they're incredibly versatile. If you're into productivity, entertainment, or extended reality experiences, the XREAL Air 2 Ultra delivers one of the best visual performances you can get right now. Number 3. TCL NXTWEAR S Plus. And number 3, we've got the TCL NXTWEAR S Plus, which brings cinema-quality visuals straight to your face. TCL has been refining its smart eyewear for a few years now, and the S Plus version is their most polished yet. These glasses don't try to overload you with AR gimmicks. Instead, they focus on immersive entertainment. You get a crisp, Full HD micro OLED display that feels like watching a 130-inch screen from a few feet away. The build is comfortable with soft-touch materials, magnetic lens covers, and adjustable nose pads for long viewing sessions. Audio is delivered through directional stereo speakers that keep sound personal and clear. It's plug-and-play with phones, laptops, or even a Steam Deck, making it ideal for travelers and gamers alike. If you're someone who loves streaming, gaming, or watching movies on the go, the TCL NXTWEAR S Plus is easily one of the most enjoyable smart glasses of 2025. Number 2. VITURE One XR Glasses. Sliding in at number 2, the VITURE One XR Glasses are all about merging entertainment and productivity into one device. Design-wise, they're sleek and modern with an adjustable tint lens, making them great for indoor and outdoor use. The Full HD OLED panels deliver sharp, vibrant visuals, and the magnetic neckband provides spatial audio that feels like it's coming from all around you. What really stands out is how these glasses integrate with cloud gaming platforms. You can stream games from your console, PC, or even your phone with virtually no lag. VITURE has also developed a companion app that lets you manage screen size, brightness, and even watch in 3D mode. Combined with their ergonomic design, these glasses are perfect for people who want a portable entertainment hub that doubles as a personal workspace. If you want the best balance of immersion, comfort, and versatility, the VITURE One XR glasses should definitely be on your list. And number 1, Lenovo ThinkReality A3. These are not just smart glasses, they're a full productivity powerhouse designed for professionals, developers, and enterprise users. The build quality feels premium and durable, with a flexible frame and interchangeable nose pieces for all-day comfort. What really makes them shine, though, is the functionality. The Lenovo ThinkReality A3 connects to your PC or Motorola smartphone and creates up to 5 virtual monitors in front of you. Imagine coding, editing, or designing with multiple screens, all floating right in your field of view. The dual 1080p micro displays deliver razor-sharp text and visuals, while the onboard 8MP camera enables augmented reality collaboration and object recognition. Lenovo's ThinkReality software suite allows real-time data visualization, remote assistance, and more. It's not built for casual users, but for business professionals, engineers, and tech creators. The Lenovo ThinkReality A3 stands as the most powerful and feature-rich smart glasses of 2025. And there you have it, the top 5 best smart glasses of 2025. From the stylish and practical Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses to the powerhouse Lenovo ThinkReality A3, each one brings something unique to the table depending on your needs. If you want to check out any of these models, I've left updated links in the description below so you can see the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech reviews just like this one. Until next time, stay smart and stay connected.